Happy July 4th, Blez family. Happy July 4th. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is July 4th, Monday. Time for beer, barbecue, cornhole, corn dogs, setting your farts on fire, setting your fingers on, wrapping your fingers off with fireworks, any dumb crap you can think of. Doing a somersault into your pool off the roof and cracking your head open. Let's just have some fun. Let's just say dumb stuff all day and have a good time. All right. I'm in a weird mood today. 2021 Prizm NBA Cello, single box random team number 23. Dice. And that's right, we now have Prizm No Huddle 2021 football by the 2-box Pick Your Team. Go look in the store. We have ridiculous July 4th sales on 21-22 Contenders basketball. Also on Court Kings, also on Optic Fast Break 2021. It's great. Check out the store 7 times. Seventh and final on the team draw. LeBron on top. Ooh, nice little, ooh. Look at that heat wave. You want the 26 through the 28. 7. Seven. Let's do it. 1. Seventh and final. Slick Rick gets the Lakers. 26 through 27 are your main elites. Ryan Allen, Doug D, and Michael Schneider. All right, let's discount double it. 7 dice. 7 random. There it is. Let's crack it. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. Come on, let's see huge Prizm silver. Red, white, and blue. We got a great lineup for you today for 4th of July. This is the best place to be. If you're just chilling at home by yourself, or if your annoying mother-in-law, father-in-law are there and you just don't want to deal. If if there's family drama going on because everybody's discussing the ridiculous state of this country, come watch with us. Come hang with us. Because we're going to be laughing, having fun, enjoying sports talk and sports cards all day long. And hopefully some massive hits. Did I just say hopefully? Boom. Did I just say hopefully? There's always massive hits. What am I saying? There isn't a day on Blez without massive cards. It's just what we do. All right. Anybody trade anything? I don't think so, right? That's a good one. That was a good one, LJ. No. JP Mango, we got to end with it. Stefan, it's not breaking until later. We don't have the boxes yet. We're waiting for them to come from Legacy Sports Cards. Here we go. Let's rip. We can't start with the red, white, and blues. Can't do that. We got to end with it. We got to end. It's like ending with fireworks. You don't start the night with fireworks. You end the night with fireworks. There's Cam. Jokic. First silver is Wiggins. He's a champion now. Otero. Embiid. Maxi rookie. Why do I always get, like, for some reason I always feel like Maxi's a 1920 rookie. I just, maybe because he's so good so young? It's odd. It's like whenever I'm calling out the rookies for 2021, I'm always like, wait, Sixers? Why are they so expensive? I always feel like Maxi's a 1920 rookie. It's odd. Marc Gasol silver. Patty Williams insert. Darius Garland. Ellaby. Tatum. MPJ for Denver. Peyton Pritchard. It's funny, I kept telling you this is the kid out of the two between him and Naismith. And now you see it because they got rid of Naismith and they kept Pritchard. You know? Shea Gilgeous silver for the Thunder. Poku green. That's going to Doug D. Zion second year. Jimmy Wiseman base. We got 60 plus in the room early. Early, this is good. Silver emergent insert. Mr. Hampton, Sadiq, Okaro, Brooke Lopez, Baisley, Sadiq, Wara rookie. Jaylen Brown silver for your Eastern champs. Halliburton insert. Bane rookie. There's Porter and Trey. Harry Giles silver. Patty Williams green emergent. Nice little inner here. Can't go wrong at $10 a spot. when you get 2. How about a little Luka? I hear he's killing it for Slovenia this summer. Ja, second year. I should case that. Denny, rookie silver for the Wizards and Michael Schneider. Precious. And a little steak for 4th of July on a Wagyu. On a Wagyu steak. All right, time for the fireworks. Time for fireworks. Red, white, and blue. Everybody hit your like buttons. Everybody smash your like buttons. The more likes we get, the more viewers come in, the faster breaks fill. Firework time. Let's do it. DeAndre Hunter. Embiid. Kenyon Martin rookie. Zion second year. Denny rookie. There's a tarantula. Traitor. Jokic. Devin Vassell for the Spurs and Michael P. Poku for Doug. Last hit coming. And it's LaMARSHmelo. We got a LaMARSHmelo. For Doug! Bingo! That's a way to start July 4th. That's a way to start your July 4th with a firework. LaMelo Ball, red, white, and blue rookie Prizm. Beautiful. BEA beautiful. Congrats, Dougie D. Killed the break. Dougie D straight killed. Nice little box there. You got it. You got it, TD. All right, let's do a nice little recap on this. Nice box. At the price, it's phenomenal. Boom. That's a box. Fantastic value. I love it. Good, great way to start our July 4th Monday. Let's do more breaks in a second.